How to confirm BIOS or UEFI firmware version in Windows 10 and Windows 11. Knowing your BIOS or UEFI version is essential for keeping your system up to date with the latest features and fixes. In this video, we'll walk you through several easy ways to find your firmware version on Windows 10 or 11. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to Ninja One's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Why do you need to know your BIOS or UEFI version? Knowing your BIOS or UEFI version might not sound exciting, but it's a key detail that can save you time and headaches. Whether you're fixing a tricky issue, installing new hardware, or making sure your system has the latest features and firmware updates, the right version makes all the difference. How to check BIOS or UEFI firmware version on Windows 10 or Windows 11. Now, there are many ways you can check your firmware version. First, you can try checking directly in the BIOS or UEFI setup interface. When you power on your device, you could be asked to press a key, like Delete, ESC, F1, F2, F10, or F12 to enter the BIOS or UEFI setup screen. Check your user manual to be sure. Once you're in the BIOS or UEFI setup screen, you can find and view the firmware version from the menu that opens. Another way is to check the version through System Information. To do this, press Windows plus R to open Run. Enter MSInfo32 in the Run dialog and press OK. Click System Summary on the navigation tree on the left. Under the System Information page, find BIOS version/date to get the information. Next, you can find the version information through the DirectX diagnostic tool. Press Windows plus R to open Run. Enter DXDIAG in the Run dialog and press OK. You can check for signed drivers as well. Under the DirectX diagnostic tool, you should find the BIOS UEFI version. Lastly, you can use the registry editor. Open the registry editor and navigate to hkey_local_machine /hardware /description /system /BIOS. Go to the BIOS version key to find your current BIOS/UEFI firmware version. Keeping software and firmware up to date is crucial for maintaining the security and stability of Windows 10 and Windows 11 devices. However, as the number of devices and locations grows, managing updates manually becomes increasingly challenging. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to confirm BIOS or UEFI firmware version in Windows 10 and Windows 11 linked in the description below.